Let's draw Cinderella today. With a little magic in every line, grab the outline and draw with me. Start with her round face and soft outline. Then draw her dress, with puffy sleeves, a wide flowing skirt, gentle folds, and her tiny shoes peeking out. Next, sketch her hair tied in a neat bun, with a headband to match. Finally, add her sweet smile and big eyes. You can color her dress any way you like, maybe a pink gown, or even a rainbow one. Let's bring Cinderella to life with colors. Start with soft brown for her hair. Then, gently color her face with a warm skin tone. For her dress, use light blue as the base. Now comes the magic part, shading. Use darker blue for the folds and shadowy areas of the skirt. Then, softly blend in lighter blue beside the dark parts, so the colors flow smoothly into each other. To finish, add a gentle highlight with silvery tones and a touch of blue. It gives her dress a magical shimmer. Look at your Cinderella. She's ready for the ball. The magic isn't in the dress, it's in the courage to wear it.